Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. Let us explore the Twin Falls, a hidden waterfall in Coorg. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. The Vanachalu Twin Waterfalls is located near Galibeedu, which is like around 14 km from Madikeri town. During our stay at the Tranquil Glass House, we went for the jeep trek to the watchtower at Galibeedu at first. Then after that, we went to the Twin Waterfalls. You can hire a local 4x4 jeep to explore these places. From the parking area, you need to walk for a few minutes to reach the waterfall. When you compare with the popular waterfalls in Coorg, mostly they are crowded. So here there won't be any crowd, so you can enjoy a lot. If you want to explore more, you can climb little higher and you can reach a waterfall above this one. This is the second waterfall that you see at this location. You may find so many leeches on the way and near to the waterfall. If you climb little further from this waterfall, then you'll be able to see a natural pool where you can enjoy water. Visit this amazing place on your Coorg trip and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching, boy.